Hello friends and welcome back to mayartistry. I hope you all are safe and keeping yourself warm. I couldn't do resin art in this freezing temperature here in the US. By freezing, I mean literally everything is turning to ice here. It's like crystals growing over the trees here. Anyways, I am scared that I can't achieve good results with resin in this freezing weather. So I will be doing today a simple alcohol ink art. But make sure you hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification icon to watch more coming art videos. On this Yupo paper, which is 11 by 14 inches in diameter, I am pouring a couple of drops of 99% isopropyl alcohol. Over it, I am running a drop of turquoise colored alcohol ink from Marabou. With the help of a tiny airbrush gun, I am blowing off the ink in a circular pattern. I am trying to keep the color within this arbitrary circle. You can see it here again. The ink gives a beautiful layered design, and this is a simple form of art. I am adding more isopropyl alcohol and will be giving a curvy line diagonally across this paper. You can see this is a very simple to do and it's an easy art form for a beginner, so don't shy away from trying it. Now that I have achieved the turquoise line, I am adding some drops of isopropyl alcohol between these turquoise spaces for our next color, which is amethyst. Repeating the same process, I am adding here amethyst color in between the turquoise spaces in a zigzag fashion. Keeping the colors confined to a circle. Here, there are some spaces at the center which I am filling up with turquoise. And one at the top here. In these small spaces left, I am pouring a drop of isopropyl alcohol and blowing it off. The dried up alcohol ink from nearby areas fill up these empty spaces and we do not need to add more ink here. After all these pieces are filled up, I am using my last color, that is gold. I want to add a gold line that reaches from one end to the other end of this pattern. Pouring here a few drops of alcohol and a teeny tiny drop of gold. Now I do not want to blow this gold in a circular direction as turquoise and amethyst colors, but in a linear fashion. To achieve this, I am blowing air from the airbrush gun under less pressure. First, spread it slowly, making sure it doesn't break. Then move it slightly from top to bottom and then from bottom to top. And there you go. In this way, one can form a uniform gold line. The liquids and air may not be entirely controllable, and there will be some gold disperse, but it's okay. Here I have stretched the gold line, and this is a side view. I am repeating the same shot from top view in a fast forward so you understand this technique better. Next, this corner is left. I am pouring the gold, and you can appreciate this shot in both side and top view together to see how I achieve this gold line here. I feel the colors are less here, so I am adding few colors here. Checking and correcting the borders to make them look smooth. Finally, I'm adding the gold line on the top. And here we have a complete piece. I hope you like this alcohol ink art. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Only a small percentage of you guys watching have actually subscribed, and shout out to those who have hit the bell. And if you haven't, make sure to smash the bell icon and share this video. Also, comment down below what you like to see next. Take care, stay warm, and bye.